This tutorial will show you a free cloud storage with Telegram online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so the first step for free cloud storage with Telegram, I'm on iPhone, you can be on Android, just click on your app, and then we're gonna click on a channel. Don't know how to create a channel, you can go over here, the top right hand screen, and click new, and basically you'll create a new message. You can click a new group, new contact, or even a new channel. But once you have your channel, assuming you've created it already, we click and then we go to the bottom left hand screen and click this paperclip icon, and as you can see, we can add in anything that we would like. Let's say we want to add in these two images. We'll click both and then click send on the bottom right hand screen, and as you can see, it will now upload officially onto Telegram completely for free. You can apply the same steps on desktop, PC, or Mac by just dragging photos or images or even a PDF file. It's up to you, you choose.